Hi, I'm the Barbecue Butcher. Today I'll be cutting and trimming a whole Ebony Black Angus 100-day grain-fed D-Rump. But before I show you the D-Rump, here is a Rump Cap or picanha. You could purchase these just as the Rump Cap without having to buy a whole D-Rump if you don't want to. That's what they look like in the bag. On top of every D-Rump, this is where the picanha sits, and I'll show you how to take that off. So take it over here like this, and you'll see under here there's a seam. Get a little knife and just slowly cut down there. You can see, just keep on opening it up. And when you get to about there, it'll stop, and you can see the colour changes. You can get your knife, go straight across. There is a Rump Cap. Now I'll show you how to take the silver skin off. As I showed you before, this has no silver skin, which sits there. So put your knife under, go forward, and then just the easy way is just peel it back like that. You can see the gristly bit there. And there's a little bit up here. Just take that bit off. Trim your edges. And there's your whole Rump Cap all ready to go. And what's left in the D-Rump is what we call the rump heart. It always has a little bit of gristle here, so grab a knife and just come in here and square it all up. Again, you can use that for your fast fry meat. Remember the 2-finger rule. Put it in, down, pull. Same again, 2. I'll do one more steak. And pull back. So there's some great steaks. So off the whole D-Rump you can buy, you get the rump steak and you get a picanha. Remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day.